This is the error correction set 3. A city dweller finds it difficult to pass away the time in a village. Here, pass away means to die. So the correct use should be, it is difficult to pass the time in a village. So the answer is part 2. Visitors are not permitted entering the park after dark. Here, after permitted, infinitive will be used. The fifth and final act of Macbeth contains the sleepwalking scene. The fifth and final, it is the same act because the article the is used only once. So it is a singular number. S will come after the verb. So contains will be used. One of the terrorists of the Kashmir valley are shot dead. One of the terrorists means singular number. So it should be is. 10 kilometers is a long distance to walk. Here 10 kilometers, it is used as a single unit. So singular verb is used. Similarly, we can say 5 rupees is a small amount. But when we use it as multiple unit, then plural verb will be used. If we say 50 rupees are to be distributed among children, so 50 rupees are to be distributed. It means multiple units will be there. So the verb will be plural. Here it has no error. I saw him a couple of times since May. Here we use for and since with 4 tenses. One is present perfect continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. But here it is simple past. So it should be I have seen him. So the error part is part 1. Tea which I am drinking is hot. Here I am talking about a specific tea which I am drinking and it is hot. So it is a specific tea, so a definite article will be used with it. So the correct use will be the tea which I am drinking is hot. Although the police officer sympathized with poor, he refused to take an action against the rich man. Here we are talking about a specific poor man. Here we are talking about a specific rich man. So the is used here. The will be used here also. We were looking forward to hear news about the missing fisherman. After looking forward to, gerund is used. So it should be hearing. The actress was shocked by the news of her dog's death. Shocked at, not by. So the answer is part 3.